Hello there, we are back again. Let's see what's there in the reading. Okay, the value for today is helpfulness. The more you would be helpful, the more you would go ahead and proceed further. You would really do well for yourself if you are going to be little more helpful to others. Let's see what else is the reading for the day. So one thing is very clear, the universe wants you to be really helpful towards others. That for sure help which you are providing in the nature will come back to you. Let's ask the divine what is the reading for today. Okay. You have reached a new level and a new land to be discovered. There is something for you there. It's an awesome message which is there for you. You have absolutely reached a level. Sometimes it is easy for us to go ahead and believe that wherever we are doesn't count much. But the universe is clearly telling you that the level which you have reached is nice, and you're going to go ahead and get a lot more than this. There is something which is better for you, there is something which is nice for you here, and you're going to go ahead and level up. Let's see what else is there as a reading. Strength. So there is a lot of uh, positivity in the ambience and in your life. There would be certain things which would happen in your life, but you would absolutely act out very nicely. You would go ahead and have a lot of strength, lot of confidence, and there would be lot of abundance around you. You would be able to go ahead and take over, and you would be able to go ahead and manage all your fears and oppositions also. There is absolutely going to be a win-win situation for you. You would go ahead and manage everything very nicely. Also, there is going to be a lot of prosperity around you. Which form of yours you would definitely love? So there is going to be a lot of positivity. Ambience is going to be really good. Your aura is going to be very, very strong, and whatever you want in life you would go ahead and get that. If you want power, you would have that. There is so much of abundance, there is so much of prosperity, there is so much of good emotions. You are going to be absolutely in power, and you would go ahead and control everything. Things would be absolutely happening as per your wish. This is going to be a day where you would go ahead and wish for whatever you are going to go ahead and get it. Money, good emotions, good relationships, absolute control, abundance, prosperity, everything will be in your favor. Good luck and stay tuned.